Money. We use it every day, but very few of us truly understand how it works. In his book, Money Works, Abhijeet Kolapkar simplifies the world of personal finance into clear, practical lessons, so anyone can learn to manage money better and create a life of stability, growth, and freedom. If you enjoy powerful financial breakdowns like this, click the link in the description for more resources to help you take control of your money today. At its core, the book teaches one simple truth: money is a tool, not a goal. It's not about how much you earn, it's about how you use what you have. For most people, the problem isn't lack of income, but lack of clarity. They don't know where their money is going, they don't plan for the future, and they underestimate the small habits that quietly drain financial health. Kolapkar begins by showing how most of us fall into the trap of chasing lifestyle before security. As income grows, we upgrade homes, cars, and gadgets, but forget to upgrade our savings and investments. The result? We look rich on the outside, but remain fragile on the inside. One of the key lessons is budgeting with purpose. Instead of viewing a budget as a restriction, Kolapkar reframes it as a path to freedom. A budget ensures you pay yourself first by saving and investing before spending on lifestyle. This flips the script, making wealth building automatic. He also introduces the idea of financial buckets. Your money should flow into three main areas: security, growth, and lifestyle. Security means emergency funds and insurance. Growth is where you invest in assets like equities or mutual funds. Lifestyle is what you spend on comfort, travel, or experiences. Balance these buckets, and you'll enjoy today while securing tomorrow. Okay, quick reminder. If this is helping you think differently about money, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss future breakdowns of life-changing financial books. Another powerful teaching is on debt. Kolapkar warns against consumer loans, borrowing for things that lose value, like cars or vacations. He makes a clear distinction. Bad debt pulls you down. Good debt, like investing in education or a home, can move you forward. But the key is discipline. Never let EMIs consume your ability to save and invest. The book also emphasizes mindset. Money flows to people who respect it. When you track your spending, plan with intention, and treat money as a tool, it multiplies. If you constantly feel money slipping away, it's not because you don't earn enough. It's because you don't have a clear system. One of the most impactful takeaways is the step-by-step path to financial independence. First, build your emergency fund. Next, secure yourself with insurance. Then, steadily grow investments. Over time, this creates a foundation where your money works for you, instead of you always working for money. In the end, Kolapkar's message is simple but powerful. Don't complicate money. Master the basics, stick to the system, and let time compound your efforts. Wealth doesn't appear overnight, but with consistent habits, it will grow day after day. So ask yourself, are you working for money, or is your money finally working for you? Okay, if you found this breakdown valuable, subscribe and share this video with someone who needs to hear it. Remember, money only works if you do.